Guys, it's Aaron and your boy Darcy.
How we going?
I'm giving him a tune-up. It's a big weekend for us.
Huge.
Darcy's got full-blown anxiety about what's in store for the next 48 hours for him, so I'm getting him right, getting him cherry ripe, starting with some lower back stuff for him. His power centre, he's going to need all his power this weekend, so I've just hooked into our money spot. And Darcy normally gets a little bit, the ginger on the money spot straight up, isn't it? So I've just been in here a couple of minutes just kind of melting it a little bit, doing a few shimmies.
Yeah.
And I'm just, letting myself get into my work a little bit, letting him enjoy it. But what have we got on for the weekend, Darcy?
Oh, mate, as you said, woke up with a little bit of anxiety. I think it's my stomach, the butterflies in my tummy telling me, don't do it to me. Don't do it to me.
Not again, Darcy.
Don't go full blown.
I've got a mate's Bucks who's coming up from the country. They're on their way down now tonight in Melbourne. So there's probably only about 7 of us, but into Jason's Bucks tomorrow. So I'm trying to keep it somewhat tame and not be too silly. But my mates from Wang, they're like, "Nah, we're ready to launch. Let's go."
Are they all animals? Are they too? Like they're frothing it? Are they, Darcy?
Well, yeah, they'll be keen. Not too silly tonight. I think tomorrow is definitely a bigger day for them. A few more things planned, and tonight's more just a casual get-together, drinks, dinner, and go to a bar. So tomorrow will definitely be bigger for that Bucks as well. So I'm hoping that I can get away with nothing too crazy. Home in bed before.
He's promised you midnight, hasn't he, Jace?
Yeah, he said...
2 o'clock?
He said, message me at midnight to go home. I said, I won't be awake at midnight.
Yeah.
Oh,
You'll be prepping, won't you, Jace?
shit. Although my mates are down early, so we don't know if they're going to be tucking in early.
Oh,
Are
yeah,
they
you
down tonight?
Yeah.
They'll.
So you might be tucking in tonight too, Jace.
Nah, I won't tuck in, but if I catch up, I'll keep it reasonable.
We might all rock up a bit bung-eyed tomorrow.
Yeah. So how is your hammer and tack been here, Darcy?
It was really nice where you were before, but then when you came up and went into a new section, it's become pretty like acute. It's still dull, but it's just got that sharpness to it.
How would you describe this for someone who's just watching this for the first time? What does it feel like?
Yeah. So it's a hard thing to explain because you do need to experience it, but to put words into context for you, it's this like deep, dull pain, but each sort of maneuver and angle change, you feel sharpness and referral pain. So there's like associated pain right now that's actually going through to like my stomach and almost top of the hip, and then out into the glute. And it just feels like it's the right release that you need. Bending over a table and treating throughout the day is what I'm doing. So I'm not bent over a table. I'm bending over a table.
My missus makes me work for it, I'll tell you what.
And I guess my lower back is, stretched or not in the right postures. So feeling like Aaron's releasing that. Yeah, it's the nicest pain.
To quote a big pig from down in Warrnambool.
that you can get. I think the lower back's easily the most therapeutic area on the body to be treated. Oh, yeah. And as you go wider into that QL there, for me, it's rushing down here more. Oh.
There's a knife in your back and the blood is rushing down.
Aaron's got the sillies. He's excited.
It's just when he said rushing down, it reminded me of
A song?
Office, US version, when Dwight does it. There's an egg on your head and the yolk is rushing down.
Oh, it feels amazing.
Where can people learn this sort of stuff, Aaron?
Where can they learn it? Whoa,
What?
good question.
You can't learn this. This is
Well, Ninja and I, we actually teach this online.
no.
Yes, online, and we have
What's involved?
practitioners all over the world now. Every continent we're nearly filled except for Antarctica, but it's
Why
coming.
would you teach people this? Like that's
Well, I feel
It's
like
our secret.
manual therapy as a modality, it's dying. It's a dying art. So we wanted to keep the flame alive and make sure that people all over the world with bodies, 7 billion of them, have access to this stuff. Because when they have pain, a lot of people don't get the right service.
Therapy.
So we're trying to make it more accessible. And so we're teaching people that do manual therapy how to do the MMT way. So Yeah, it's been amazing. We're in our third intake now. We go 2 intakes per year, so we're in our third one, and this one has been literally just unbelievable for Ninja and I. Like the feedback we're getting from our students has been amazing. It's literally changing their lives and changing our lives too. Like we've actually just been this morning talking to our group in our little community WhatsApp group, and some of the feedback we've been getting has just been unbelievable in terms of it transforming their lives. Like they somehow stumbled upon us when they were at probably a pretty dark time in their lives. So I feel like what we've been able to create is what we do here at MMT every day is allow a safe space for people to be authentic and to be themselves and to do a really important job, which is to help people. So I think people are really resonating with that and finding purpose. And it's bigger than just a bodywork course. It is a bit of a life-changing experience. So if you're at a bit of a rut in your life and say you may be doing manual therapy and you're a little bit lost, or maybe you're just completely new to this but you want a different career path, we encourage you to just have a gaze at it and then maybe have a chat with Ninja and I, and we can see if you'd be a great fit. Because it is really awesome work when you can do this to someone. And we obviously preach a lot about lifting and sprinting and being healthy too, so not only are you doing important work, I feel like you change your own life in terms of like your fitness and your health and what you're putting out in the world. So it's pretty amazing.
I guess it's also got the component if you're looking for a sense of belonging or community or a tribe. You may be a bit lonely or a bit lost, and it can be when you do finish your studies or you're treating and you're just in a pretty hostile environment. It is just you. It can be challenging to learn new skills or work alongside like-minded people. So you're learning new skills and you're getting to work in this community and bounce ideas and experiences off each other. So that's another benefit.
Yeah, the community's been one of the biggest points of feedback from our people in terms of, I think it's just the inviting nature of it and the holding space and creating a safe space for people to be themselves, I think has been something that a lot of them have actually spoken about. There's one guy who's joined our course that he's kind of stated to us that he's never been a part of a community. He's never had a friendship circle really, but this is the first time in his life that he's been able to feel a part of something, and he's in his 40s. So for us, that's just like, it's the most rewarding thing to be able to create something that actually allows someone to feel that is freaking unbelievable.
Gold. So it's just as fulfilling and rewarding for you, man. Like you're getting to.
Oh yeah, like I should show you some of the
so
messages that I've just got this morning, literally 10 minutes before we started filming. It's kind of, it's like Ninja and I are getting just as much out of it as they are. It's completely reciprocal because it's just validation that what we're trying to do here with MMT is having this big impact, right? Not just for the individual receiving the bodywork, but also for the people that are joining our community. This is the Jason. I've just got this from Jason. I just want to try and do it on Darcy to see how he.
Yep, it's good. Oh, yep, it's deep.
Yeah, Jason was putting me into next week.
It's right in there.
It's good though, eh?
I was going pretty standard.
Yeah.
It's good to get it though, because it makes you realise like, I've got to push as hard as Jace.
Yeah.
Is it hard to relax though? Like how?
No, but when you started coming out here, it was like, oh, that is medicine.
Nah, I feel like I'm relaxed there and it's nice to receive.
Yeah, so just working through the lateral hip here, so glute med. Underneath that you've got glute min as well. Yeah, let's see if I can just go through these areas in a nice manner.
Oh.
How's it feeling there, Darcy?
Yeah, nice. Feels really good. Lots
Nice
of different sharpness and as you skim over little tension points, you can feel the pain moving or spreading down your leg, up the back.
It's
It
as
feels relieving.
Jace alluded to here, this is an area that can get quite sticky on people and can tug on the lower back, on the pelvis. So unwinding this can be really good at helping people with lower back pain. I think you started quite low down here too, didn't you, Darcy, and wrapped around.
Well, one thing that muscles do is they don't push, they pull, don't they? So if they're pulling down on that hip.
Yeah.
Is that funny?
No, sorry. I thought you were talking about something else that Ninja, like a few weeks ago, was talking about how when he goes to the toilet,
He doesn't
you
push.
don't push it, you pull.
Apparently it
I thought you were going there. Sorry, bro.
Oh.
It's a squeezing.
Not every time you go to the toilet you pull, but
On those select few times, though.
there's been a couple.
Yeah. What do we call that? A John Bull? But yeah, no, you are right, Darcy. Like a pulling
Sensation
of
down
of the bones. Yeah.
Yeah. So just releasing that can help. I guess what is it? Eradicate it and neutralise it. I don't
Yeah.
know. Just. Oh.
Sure, there's lots of people pulling their bones right now.
Pulling their bones, you reckon? Yeah. Crikey, Jace. Calm down over there, man.
That's why I'm off camera.
Getting a bit excited.
Oh.
Toey is a Roman sandal, Jace.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Going good, Darcy.
Oh. It's bloody good. Oh. Oh.
Trigger Point City.
Oh. Yep. Oh.
Point City.
Oh. It's the trigger point town.
Trigger Point Town.
The town of the trigger point.
All right, we're in deep here. We're almost entering Trigger Point Town.
The
just
town
gotta-
where there's trigger points galore. Wow.
Circle around the Great Decanter. Use the gravitational pull. I love how Ninja's not here on a Friday and we're putting out our best stuff, eh? Wait till he watches this.
You'll be
He's
missing out.
4 a.m. watching these, shaking his head.
Oh.
Come on, man.
Oh.
Just think about those Chinese flowers, bro.
Yeah. We went and looked at where Jason's getting married last night, didn't we? It was bloody beautiful. There was some
Such
Chinese.
a nice spot.
Oh, it's incredible. As you said, it would be a beautiful home to live in.
Oh, yeah.
Like just some beautiful ferns and flowers and trees. Oh, it's just delightful.
Oh. Agreed, bro.
Agree.
Agreed. I'll do one more in your hammer and tack, I reckon. What do we reckon?
Yep.
You feel like you need your other side,
Oh,
maybe,
yeah, I
don't
feel like my right side is
you? Screaming out for some love.
bung as a...
Bung. Bung as a Fritz.
Give me an Aperol Spritz. Oh!
Bung as a Fritz might be the new saying.
Is that Straz?
Yeah, Bung Fritz. Sound, like, that is just the worst name.
They go back to... Get down there, down to the bottom of South Australia and stay there, mate.
And then, they have their own version, the Arnott's. Arnott's yo-yos. Do you get yo-yos in Mount Gambier? Oh, see, you all just like them.
You and your...
You and your Bung Fritz.
Full yo-yos.
No, we don't get them here. You don't get them here.
Using the little biscuit with like cream.
Nah, not yo-yos. Apparently
that's a
Arnott's
yo-yo.
have its own biscuit over there, only available in South Australia, called yo-yos.
Oh.
So like a Scotch finger or Monte Carlo, but they're not accessible in Victoria.
Oh.
You reckon we got to do your other side just one stroke,
Just one stroke, so I can get up.
Oh, Patreon, yeah. Come to Patreon for exclusive glue to the week. No towels. Sorry, Jace. Good marketing, mate. You helping us out with our flow there.
I was going to say do that on the other.
Oh, do his other side on Patreon. Oh, I'm in here already now. Sorry.
Oh, that's what she said.
Jeez. It's a bloody shambles in here, isn't it?
Oh.
Bit in it, Das.
Yeah.
You all right, mate?
Got to relax and
Hold on, bro.
take a breath.
Take a breath, man.
Just relax. Take it easy. You're still young.
It's not. What is it? It's
not your
your
fault.
fault.
If you don't know the words, mate, just don't join
Hang on.
in, you know?
No, I love Yusuf Muhammad. What's his name?
No, definitely not that.
No, well, Cat Stevens, but
Cat
he changed
Stevens.
his name to
Did he?
Yusuf Muhammad.
Did he?
Yeah, he went. He's
Muslim?
practices the Muslim faith now. Or the what do you?
Yeah.
Yusuf Islam, or is that a
Ah.
cricket player? No. Like I'm digging myself a big hole
I've
here.
got no idea.
Anyway, it's not your fault. Yeah. How does it go? Let's sing it. Come on.
Take it
Ta-
easy.
yeah.
You're still young. It's not,
Not your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me. I am old, but I'm happy. Boom, boom, boom. I was once like you are now. Learn to listen now.
Hey, that's where we wrap it up.
Wrap it up. Thanks, guys.
Oh, bloody
Thanks for
beautiful.
joining us.
Like and subscribe
Yeah.
if you don't already. You'll get alerts for future videos. Ding
See you
dong.
guys.